Remember to put in your oil sensor here. Just screw that in. Now I'll torque it up. Remember to put this bolt in. It supports the pressure regulator for the injection system. Okay, torque that one up now. Gather your bolts and your washers for the exhaust manifold. Make sure that your exhaust manifold is clean, the faces, and then it's a case of putting it on. And now putting the washers on the bolts and tightening those up, torquing those up. So I'll do all of those now. 3, 4, and then these two here. So I'll finish tightening up the exhaust manifold. That's the head mainly assembled. I put the valve cover on just to protect it from dust and stuff like this. So now we're going to turn our attention to the block and we'll put on the clutch.